What's up, YouTube? It's Curly's Victoria back with another video. I am about to show you guys a quick transformation of how I turn a chaotic room into a dream boho bohemian styled room. Everything on the floor is simply because I have taken things out of their designated places so that I can go ahead and prepare to do what I need to do. So I'm actually going through a lot of things, trashing things, figuring out what I need to get rid of. But I just want to show you guys what's been going on. If you see right here, that's my blow up mattress. I literally had gotten rid of the mattress that I had in here, and I had not yet gotten a new one because I didn't know like what my plans were going to be. So I have had a blow up mattress for a few weeks, just until I can find another bed that I wanted. That was a great price. I always want a king size bed, so I had to figure out, what was the best for that. So that's why you see all this chaotic mess. But in about 10 seconds, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to actually unroll my bed, because apparently it came in an Ashley. I got it from Ashley Furniture, and apparently it came in that thing over there. A huge box is what my bed mattress came in. So basically this is my first time ever experiencing a mattress that I have to basically open the box and watch it expand. So I'm going to take you guys on that journey with me, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform this room into a luxurious styled bohemian looking room. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys everything or if I'm just going to show you pieces of the puzzle, but stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, so it's Curly's Victoria. I am out of breath. Not like nearly as tired as someone who isn't in shape. But baby, first of all, I thought that when I got delivery of this mattress, I had seen on YouTube and Instagram and all of these commercials that there's some mattresses that actually come rolled up. You unroll them and they basically like, it takes about an hour for this one to basically like come up to the actual mattress height. And I'm trying my hardest to make sure that I have it turned the right way, because once it gets up there in the air, sis, there's nothing I'm going to be able to do, because yeah, like it's still in the plastic protective. I've taken off the saran wrap, but the plastic that's around the mattress right now, I think I'm supposed to take it out. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to take it out. But the only reason I'm not taking it out right now is because I'm going to let it just expand in the bag. And then I guess after that, I'll see if I want to keep the plastic on or if I want to take it off. Just simply because I need to get a box spring, and I don't want to get my actual mattress dirty by sitting it on the floor, which I've already swept and stuff like that. But I still don't want to get it dirty. I want to get a box spring in here or a riser or something like that to get my mattress like on fleek high. For right now, today is just about delivery. Happened this morning, so I was literally waiting for them to deliver my package. They did. I stayed in the house. They came at about 1 something, almost noonish 1. So that was perfect, because right when I was about to jump in the shower, I got a phone call. Hey, we're trying to get in, so they get in or whatever. I don't take a shower. I literally go meet them at the door to let them in. I elected, like in the store, you have the option to basically elect if you want to have them like assemble or not. I elected not, just simply because what are you assembling? Like, it's a mattress. I'm not really big on actually having full beds. I've always liked the mattress style and to kind of just make things my own. So box spring mattress type of deal. So that's what I got. I got the mattress. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit. I think you guys can kind of see it in the video, but I'm going to keep talking and I'm going to be quiet for 3 seconds so you can hear the air or whatever that is in the mattress that's actually like blowing it up. It's doing it itself. And I'm sure y'all can hear like the air slash you can see the mattress rising, which I'm going to show you guys in the end what the mattress ends up rising like. But basically in the store you were like, do you want them to assemble for you? I said no, because assemble what? Now I'm not going to lie to you. I was just thinking in my mind that they're going to send me my mattress and they're going to bring it in and it's going to be just a mattress protected, but the mattress is already blown up. No, wrong. Like those commercials I have been seeing, mattress in a box type of deal, that's what happened. And I'm thinking because I got it from the store that it was going to already be like, you know, expanded and it's just going to like, they're going to push it through my door and I'm going to push it in my room. That's literally what I thought. And I thought that like if you did online delivery, like maybe it'll come in a box or whatever. So I still had to do that manual labor, which was nothing compared to spending $100. So it was $100 if you wanted them to take the mattress out, put it in your room, and watch it do its thing, or you could have done it yourself and saved yourself $100. So I decided to save myself the $100. So me just unwrapping this whole mattress was basically like a workout for the day. You guys, literally, this was my freaking workout today. I am like sweating and my heart isn't racing, but I'm sweating. Earlier, oh, it was a move. Good thing I was, you know, in shape enough to be able to do this, because if I wasn't, this would have been literally like, this would have been a problem. So I'm going to let this mattress expand for the next like hour or two. I'm not trying to take a nap. I'm not trying to go to bed right now or not, or at all right now. So I'm just going to let this thing expand and do its thing. But I wanted to tell you guys about my experience of like getting the blow up mattress type deal like this. So basically, well, it's not a blow up mattress, having the mattress expand. So basically I have been looking at the website, which I'm not even going to hold you. I used to have the Santa Fe mattress, king size, which I got from Ashley like a couple years ago, and I had it for like I bought it for like $1,200 or whatever, right? I bought the mattress, just mattress, it was like $1,200. It was like phenomenal. So I bought the mattress or whatever, and it was a wonderful mattress. And I thought I was about to move, so I got rid of the mattress, blase, blase. So now I've had to get another one, and I have been looking at Ashley's website almost like it was Instagram. No cap, sis. I literally look every single day looking for a mattress that was actually affordable, but that was on sale and that was going to do its thing. So I literally found the anniversary mattress, which is what I got. It's, you know, they got the pillow top version and they have just the anniversary mattress plush. I got the plush because I think the pillow top was like $300 more, and I was in the market for a bargain, not in the market for the best mattress that's not a bargain. So I got a great mattress that's usually like retails at about $900 something, probably somewhere between $900 and $1,000. I got it for $461, okay? At Ashley, I bought this mattress for $461. I seen it online, and I started thinking, I don't want to order it. It could take too long, and also I want to go feel what the mattress feels like. I don't want to just get a mattress and not know what it feels like. So let me turn this a little bit, because when this bad boy expands, it's going to get heavier, and I'm not going to be able to. I'm trying to make sure. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to make sure. I got to make sure that I like have it the right way. I feel like my body is hanging off this way, my toes, but I feel like this way. Okay, so I think I got it right. This way doesn't feel as bad. Okay, let me get off of it so it can keep doing its thing. So anyway, I got the king mattress. I went in because my point in going in was I wanted to test out the mattress. I wanted to make sure that the mattress was like good. It was banging. It was popping. So I wanted to go in person and I wanted to test out the mattress. So that's what I did. Went in. Mattress was phenomenal. Talked to a guy over the phone, which I have his contact information. If you're in the area and you need a connection, I got you, because we are definitely linked in as business partners at this point. So if you guys are looking for some furniture pieces or anything like that, hit me up. I have a lot of things in the pipeline that's going to be coming from me as well. So you guys go ahead and make sure you tune in. So pretty much this is expanding. But anyway, so I got the mattress. I was like, price match, please. Offline, it was $461. So he was able to price match, get me what I saw online for $461. Paid for right there in done deal. Card in, paid, cash. Well, debit card, but you know what I'm saying. Paid for, boom. Out the store. Oh, pick your delivery date. Picked my delivery date on the day that was most convenient. And then boom, I'm at home. And mattress came in as they stated it would. And mattress came in, you know, quickly, efficiently. The guys were nice who dropped it off. They were very nice. Usually my delivery guys, like the ones who are nice, I provide them some water. But since Corona going on right now, what water? So, yeah. So, basically, yeah, I didn't feel like fixing them a glass of water because I can't be having y'all lips on my glass. I use filter pitcher. I know a lot of people use water bottles on a daily, but just to be cautious, I can't be having y'all drink no water. I don't got no water bottles to give you. I don't got no water bottles to give you, so go on and thank you. But no, they were really, really nice. They were really nice gentlemen who dropped off my stuff. So basically, I got my mattress. This baby is expanding. I already got my comforter. You guys know that I'm going to be doing a bedroom, like, revamp / you know, giving you, like, that bohemian style bedroom. And I'm looking forward to showing you guys what it's going to turn out like. I might do, like, you know, some different takes on the progress. Maybe do a finishing video on my progress. But I don't know. It all depends on how I feel. Hopefully I can get my entire room cleaned out today. I definitely want to... All I really have to put up are like makeup products, shoes, clothes, and things like that. But once the bed rises and I do what I need to do as far as my fashion, you know, take on everything, I think that will be a-okay, good to go. So, yeah. Good mattress choice. Ladies, if you're not as strong as me, and I'm not even, this is not even to be shady, I'm being for real. If you got somebody in the family, you might want to help them because that initial unwrapping this packet, I mean, I did start it off with a knife and I just started unwrapping it because it literally is wrapped in saran wrap. And I was able to do it. But if, ladies, gentlemen, if it's too heavy, do not break your backs. If you're older, just get help. But it's something that you can do at home by yourself. Don't pay the $100 for them to do it if you're only getting a mattress. Now, if I had a whole bed, I could see me wanting them to pay the $100 because I need somebody to assemble it for me because I don't want to assemble it. You know what I mean? That luxury. But to save yourself money, go ahead, get the box, cut it open, get you a knife, get you something to open up your box because it is sealed pretty tight, and just let it do its thing. So the guy told me it takes about an hour to expand. I know that I have to get a box spring, but this baby better expand like OD more because, in my opinion right now, I mean, it's still going, but this is too low. So, like, I don't know how much more it got to expand, but it better do its thing because I'm not going to be sitting around with no low mattress. So he said about an hour, so I'm going to give about 2 just in case to make sure that I got all my money's worth. And then after that, I don't know if I might throw my comforter on there. I don't know yet, just because if my mattress is too low and my comforter sweeps the floor, that's a problem because I still need to get my box spring. So we'll see how this all goes. Hopefully it goes well. But anyway, Ashley, latest cop. Anniversary mattress, $461. Delivery free unless you need them to assemble anything, which is like $90 to $100. What else? Yeah, I guess you guys just stay tuned. But I wanted to show you guys what it took for me to basically take the mattress out and do all of that. So I'm going to show you the mattress right now just to show you the progress. I still hear it blowing up, so it's still got some time, but I'm just going to show you like where it's at now, the thickness and everything. So if you look right here, you can see that it's still got expansion to go. I can see it all right here, so it still needs to expand some more. And then if you look over here, this is it. Like I said, I still hear it expanding, so I'm not going to trip yet, but this is pretty much my mattress. It's got gotta expand, but you gotta remember too, I need a box spring. But once I figure out how big the bed is gonna get, that's gonna determine like if I'm gonna do 1 box spring or 2, because I like a high bed. I like a bed that's like high. So I'm gonna show you guys. Even though it's a mattress and I don't always like to have a bed, I just like the mattress. I'm still going to see how high this gets, because that's all going to determine if I'm going to end up getting like I said, 1 box spring or 2. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and like push it up, because it's going to get bigger and it's going to get heavier. So I'm going to go ahead and just push this bad boy up before I'm struggling more than I was already struggling. Oh, just going to kick it up. I know this video is going to be long, but I hope this really helped somebody, because I know when I watch videos personally, I'm the type of person who's like, sis, please don't just show me, you know, please don't just show me like, oh, I got the bed. Okay, sis, how did it come out the package? Did it rise? How did you open it? Did you... That's my type of take on when I see videos like furniture related, or my Ashley Furniture mattress, and people just talk and say, oh, I got the pillow top, or oh, I got the anniversary mattress plush, and then don't really explain how it went down. So I hope somebody enjoyed my video for the details, and I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you beautiful people in the next video. Later.
But why does it feel like it's too something?